Salamat Petang, Apakabar from Kuala Lumpur. So galing lang akong 5 days in Singapore and I'm currently here in Kuala Lumpur to spend the rest of my trip. On my last day, last night in Singapore, bumili ako ng very big purchase. And actually, I've been searching about this product since last year. Pumunta akong Greenbelt, pumunta akong MOA to ask if this is available. So that means, siguro, gusto ko talaga siya. And when I got the opportunity, since hindi siya available sa Philippines, when I went to Marina Bay Sands sa Singapore, available siya. So, sabi ko, bili na lang talaga ako since I don't know when I will come back or magiging available ba siya sa atin. So, I'm gonna reveal the product. I bought the Ray-Ban Meta Glasses Gen 2 and join me right now in unboxing this jewel. So this is the packaging. Medyo crumpled na siya because of my trip from Singapore to Kuala Lumpur. And this is the box. So Ray-Ban Meta. Yun siya. It's clear that way. I chose the Wayfarer and Gen 2. Apparently, 2 months ago lang siya naging available sa Marina Bay Sands. So, I bought this because marami siyang features talaga and I've seen reviews and vlogs about this. It pictures and it takes videos. Relatively good naman yung quality. It can translate different languages around the world. It can do things for you. Basically, just everything. Kasi meron siyang AI. So when you give the right prompt, then the AI will just, give you the answer niya. Yun. So join me in unboxing this jewel, I would call that. So ito, i-open ko. Wow. So this is the box nung inopen ko. And amazing siya kasi hindi ko alam na hindi din ako nakaisip kung paano siya china-charge. Pero china-charge siya sa box niya. So yung box niya, merong port para ma-charge mo yung buong case. And then yung case is also used to charge the actual glasses. So this is the case. Ito. And then may parang power button ata to. And then you have the port here sa baba. And then when you open, so it's here. Nag-light siya. So yun. I'm so excited, guys. So when I bought this, I chose the glossy and black one since it's the most classic. Of course, Wayfarer siya. Hindi ko na pinili yung matte kasi apparently kapag if you choose matte, mabilis siyang ma-scratch. So I chose the glossy ones para pag may scratch, less visible siya. So ito yung packaging. And this is the glasses. It has all the right features. Then I bought that. Doon ka naman na sa Singapore. Well, hindi naman siya available sa Philippines. So binili ko na yung okay na version ng glasses. Transition glasses to. And pwede siyang maging prescription. So didn't have the time kasi I have to travel to Kuala Lumpur pagkabukas. So, sabi ko, sa Pinas na lang, meron naman daw, pwede naman i-change into prescription since I'm using prescription glasses. So, may transition glasses din siya. And this is the interface of the glasses. So, meron siyang power button dito and you use this button dito sa right to take a photo or double press or hold, I think, if you want to take a video. But you can just share share it, ask AI kung ano yung gusto mong gawin sa kanya. Like for example, take a picture or take a video. So I'm gonna use this in my trip today. And we'll see how will I have this or use these glasses as I travel through as I explore Kuala Lumpur today. So sa right, you can play music, and to increase the volume of the music, you just put pa ganon. So touchpad to dito. Then palikod kung decrease yung music. And then if you want to answer calls, you just double tap or tap lang sa touchpad na to. And then marami siyang other features. So I'm going to replace the glasses that I'm using now into these Meta glasses. So you will see me a lot using these glasses. So this is how I look when ginagamit ko yung glasses nga. So a little ano lang kasi prescription nga yung ano ko, pero I will be changing that. So I am so excited as I use this glasses, and probably gagawa ako ng review in a few months. After 6 months probably, if I'm still using this every day. So yun lang, and I'm excited to use these glasses as I explore Kuala Lumpur today. Terima kasih from Kuala Lumpur, and see you in the next.